Hey everyone, and welcome to our beginner's guide to SAP AI for 2025. If you're looking to supercharge your career and step into the future of business technology, you are in the right place. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what SAP AI is and how you can get started with it for free right now. So, what exactly is SAP AI? Think of it as a powerful set of tools built directly into the SAP Business Technology Platform, or BTP. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze business data, automate complex tasks, and make incredibly accurate predictions. For businesses, this means smarter decisions, streamlined operations, and a huge competitive edge. But what does it mean for you? Learning SAP AI opens doors to some of the most in-demand jobs in tech. We're talking about roles like AI business analysts, machine learning engineer, and SAP AI consultant. Companies are actively seeking professionals with these skills, and the salaries are impressive, often starting well over $100,000 a year. It's a game-changing skill to have on your resume. The best part, you can start learning today without spending a dime. SAP offers a completely free trial account for its business technology platform. Let's walk through how to set that up right now. It's super easy. First, open your web browser and go to developers.sap.com. You'll see an option to register or sign up. Click on that. Fill in your basic details and you'll get a verification email. Just open your inbox, click the link, and you're verified. Simple as that. This first step literally takes less than a minute. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to create your SAP BTP trial account. The system will guide you through the process. You'll need to choose a region for your trial account. Don't overthink this part. Just pick the one that's geographically closest to you for the best performance. After a few clicks, your BTP environment will be set up and ready to go. You now have your own personal sandbox to explore the future of enterprise AI. Okay, you're in! Now, you'll see your BTP dashboard, which is like the command center for all your services. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're going to focus on one specific area. On the left-hand side, look for the Service Marketplace. From there, you can easily navigate to the AI services. You'll find a hub with a bunch of pre-built AI tools, from generative AI to predictive analytics. This is where the magic happens. Let's dive into a real-world example. Imagine you're working in a finance department and you want to predict future sales. With SAP AI, this is incredibly straightforward. Inside the AI Services Hub, you'll find a tool for predictive analytics. We'll start by loading some sample sales data. This can be a simple spreadsheet with past sales figures. Now, here's the amazing part. You don't need to be a data scientist to train a model. SAP has simplified the process down to just a few clicks. You literally select your data. Choose what you want to predict in this case. Future sales and click train. The AI engine does all the heavy lifting in the background, analyzing patterns and creating a predictive model for you. It's that easy. After just a few moments, your model is ready. You can then immediately visualize the results. The system will generate a forecast graph, showing your historical sales data and a clear projected line showing expected sales for the next quarter or year. You can use this to make smarter budgeting decisions, plan marketing campaigns, and so much more. This is the power of predictive analytics, made accessible to everyone. Now let's switch gears to another critical business area. Supply chain. Unpredictable demand can cause huge problems. Right. Either you have too much stock sitting in a warehouse or not enough to meet customer orders. SAP AI can help solve this with demand prediction. Just like our finance example, we'll start with a dataset. This time, let's import a CSV file containing historical inventory levels and sales orders. Again, you can find sample data for this right within the BTP platform to practice with. Once your data is loaded, you'll select a pre-configured AI scenario for demand forecasting. You'll run the scenario, and the AI will analyze your inventory data. It will use past sales trends to predict future demand for your products. The results won't just be a single number. The system will show you which factors are influencing the prediction, and even give you a confidence score. This helps you interpret the results and decide how much inventory to order, preventing stockouts and reducing waste. So, you've learned the basics and run a few models. How does this translate into a real job? The skills you're learning right now are exactly what top companies are looking for. Let's take a look at some actual job postings. Here's one from Deloitte. For an SAP AI consultant. They're looking for someone who understands BTP and can help clients implement AI solutions. And here's another from PwC for a senior associate in intelligent automation, where experience with SAP AI is listed as a key requirement. These companies, and thousands of others, need people who can bridge the gap between business processes and artificial intelligence. By completing the steps in this video, you're building a foundational skill set that makes you a perfect candidate for these high-paying, future-proof roles. Adding SAP BTP AI to your LinkedIn profile and resume will make you stand out to recruiters immediately. So, what are your next steps? The journey doesn't end here. The best way to learn is by doing. I've put a link in the description below to some free resources and tutorials directly from SAP to help you dive deeper. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to go and try the SAP BTP trial right now. Follow the steps we covered, play around with the sample data, and see what you can build. I'd love to see what you create. Once you've run your first prediction, come back here and comment with your results. Let me know what you discovered. It's an exciting field, and we're all learning together. Thanks so much for watching. Hey, if this SAP AI tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe to DevForge IT for weekly free tutorials on SAP, BTP, GitHub projects, and AI tools for developers. Turn on notifications so you never miss career-boosting tips like this. Drop a comment. What's your first SAP AI project? Link to free BTP trial in description. Try it now and tag me in your results. See you in the next one.